Here's the deal. On most operations, the equipment is worth more than the buildings. A combine alone can run $400,000, but a basic farm policy underinsures all of it, and it does not follow your equipment into the field or down the road, which is exactly where the risk is. Farm equipment insurance fixes that. Here's the part most folks get wrong. How your equipment is valued depends on its age. Newer machines can be written at replacement cost, full value, no depreciation. Older equipment is usually actual cash value, the depreciated number. And you can lock in an agreed value so there's no argument at claim time. Getting that right, machine by machine, is exactly what a good broker does. Your high-dollar equipment gets scheduled individually. The rest gets blanketed under one limit. Don't find out at claim time that your biggest asset was valued for less than you figured. Let's protect the operation. Give Grit a call.